Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your places and enjoying the study very well. So, as you know that in the previous class we had completed the reading of chapter number 7, which is the necklace of footprints without feet. So, today we'll start the exercise of chapter number 7, the necklace. So, the chapter was about the family in which the lady who is the wife, she has high dreams. Her husband is a clerk, but she, the lady who is Matilda, she always compares her life with rich people. She wants to be very rich, but her husband's pocket doesn't allow the husband to buy precious gifts for the wife. One day, the husband gets an invitation to go to a party. In this party, all the high officials had been invited, but the wife was not happy with the invitation because, according to her, she was not having a good dress to wear on the party. So, she says to her husband that she denies the invitation as she is not having the good dress. So, the husband gives her the money to buy the dress. When the dress was ready, she was not happy even with the dress because now she says that she is not having the matching jewelry. The husband says that she can have the jewelry from one of her friend who was Mrs. Forestier, and she was very rich. So Matilda takes the necklace from her friend, but when they were coming back after the party, the necklace gets lost, and when they reach home they find that the necklace was not there, and they buy the same type of diamond necklace in 36,000 francs, and they had to work. Now both Matilda and Loisel had to work very hard for 10 years to pay the debt which they had to pay the debt for the money which they had taken to buy the necklace from the money which they had bought from the money lenders to buy the necklace. And to pay the debt of this money, they had to work hard for 10 years. And after 10 years, when now all the debt was paid, the Matilda was one day sitting near the window of her house, and she saw someone in the street. It was Mrs. Forestier. Then Matilda talks to Forestier, and Forestier doesn't recognize Matilda. Then Matilda says that I am Matilda and you are responsible for this condition of mine, because then she tells the whole story to Forestier, and Forestier says that mine was not the set of real diamonds, but those diamonds were false, and the price of that necklace was worth over 500 francs. So it was the story of the chapter, and today we'll do the question answers. For the first question on page number 39 is, what kind of a person is Mrs. Loisel? Why is she always unhappy? is Mrs. here. Loisel or Matilda had a romantic nature. She is always unhappy because she had no dowry. She was pretty. No dowry was given to her at the time of marriage because the financial condition of her parents was not so good to give her a good dowry. She was to her a good dowry, sorry. She was pretty. She wanted to be known and loved by rich men, but she was born in a family of clerks. What kind of a person is her husband? Now, second question is, what kind of a person is her husband? So the answer is, her husband is a very simple hearted person. He is an ordinary person. He is a caring husband. He wants to see Matilda happy always. Yes, bete, these two questions are on page number 39. Now the questions of page number 41. What fresh problem now disturbs Loisel? What was the problem which Loisel faced when she receives the invitation? The fresh problem was Mrs. Loisel doesn't have a pretty and proper dress for the party. Next is, how is the problem solved? Her husband gives her 400 francs to buy a pretty dress for the party. This money he had saved to buy a gun for him. ये जो मनी थी वो लॉयजल ने अपने लिए जोड़ के रखी थी because he was wanting to buy a gun. He was very fond of shooting birds. तो वो अपने लिए पैसे सेव कर रहा था and he gave this money to Matilda to buy a beautiful dress for her. What do Mr. and Mrs. Loisel do next? Mr. and Mrs. Loisel decide to borrow a diamond set. She borrows it from her friend Forestier. How do they replace the necklace? They borrow. How do they replace the necklace? They borrow money. They shift to a cheap house. They save every sou possible. Matilda does all the work herself. Every sou is the minimum amount जो मनी की थी वहाँ पे. जैसे अब हमारे यहाँ पे रुपी भी है पैसा भी है, तो पैसे की जो मिनिमम अमाउंट होगी जैसे 25 पैसा, तो 100 वैसे ही है वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो अब वो पैसे तक भी सेव करते थे, छोटे छोटे, वो भी इधर उधर खर्च नहीं करते थे. मैटिल्डा डज ऑल द वर्क हरसेल्फ. पहले घर में मेड रखी हुई थी और बाद में मैटिल्डा ने मेड भी हटा दी थी जब उनको डायमंड सेट लेना पड़ा था. उसके बाद दे बाय अ न्यू रियल डायमंड नेकलेस टू रिप्लेस द लॉस्ट वन विच इज फेक. उनको रिप्लेस करना था जो सेट, वो फेक था, वो झूठा था. राइट बेटे, दीज आर द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स of the exercise. Now there are some extra 2 marks question answers. First is, what was the condition of Matilda's apartment? Her apartment was not in good condition. It had shabby walls. The other accessories in the apartment were also not up to the mark. Second is, what was Matilda's dream? She always thought about elegant dinners, exquisite food, beautiful frocks with matching jewelry. She always dreamt about the luxuries of life. What was given to Matilda by her husband one evening? Her husband gave her an envelope one evening. It was an invitation card. It was the invitation of a party in which only few employees had been invited. Otherwise, the whole official world was invited in the party. Next is, why had Loisel saved 400 francs? Loisel had passion for hunting. He had saved this money to buy a gun so that he might be able to join some hunting parties the next summer with some friends who went to shoot birds on Sunday. Next is, why wasn't Lady Loisel ready to wear the jewelry of natural flowers when suggested by Mr. Loisel? So, according to Lady Loisel, it would be insulting among the rich women if I wear the jewelry of natural flowers. These are 2 marks questions, bete. Extra 2 marks questions apart from the exercise and the extra questions which are there in golden. So, I will send you the 3 marks extra questions as well, right? So, till then, thank you. Have a nice day, students.